You're sitting in your bathroom, holding a $60 plastic gadget, and you are about to blast a high-pressure stream of water directly into your skull. It sounds like a bad idea, doesn't it? Well, millions of people are doing exactly that right now. They are ditching the cotton swabs. They are skipping the doctor. They are putting their faith in this vibrating water machine, hoping it clears out years of gunk without popping an eardrum. It is everywhere on social media. The ads are slick. They tell you it is a triple jet stream of relief. They say it is doctor recommended. They even tell you that you can use your health savings accounts to buy it. That makes it feel official, right? It feels safe. But then you start digging into the actual experiences of people who bought it. You see the reviews that are not featured in the shiny commercials. Some people love it. They say it is a revelation. Others, not so much. I spent time looking at the feedback on major review sites. There are stories about units dying after just 2 months. There are complaints about customer service completely vanishing when things go wrong. They call it ghosting. You send an email and nothing. Just silence. And that warranty is only 90 days long. Think about that for a second. If you spend $60 on a device that you stick in your ear, you would expect it to last longer than a single season. It feels like a gamble. A 90-day window is incredibly short for something marketed as a premium medical tool. It is like they expect it to break the moment the window closes. I saw one person joke that coffee spelled backwards is a funny word, but they do not care about the jokes until they have had their caffeine. I feel the same way about these claims. I do not care how many fancy words they use until I see the data. Then you have to look at what the actual ear specialists say. This is where it gets serious. Ear irrigation is a real medical procedure. Doctors do it all the time, but they do it with specialized training. They know what to look for. If you have a perforated eardrum, or if you have tubes in your ears, this thing could be a nightmare. If you have diabetes or weakened immune system, you are at risk for major infections. One doctor mentioned that she is hesitant to even suggest these home versions. Why? Because the pressure has to be perfect. Too little pressure and it does nothing. Too much pressure and you are looking at a very expensive trip to the emergency room. You are essentially trying to be your own surgeon in your bathroom mirror. It is a strange trend. We are so eager to save a few bucks on a copay that we risk our hearing. The technology itself is actually sound. This is not some cheap scam that does not work. It is a real irrigator. Major news outlets have tested it. They found it can be effective, but it has to be used correctly. You need the water to be the right temperature. You need to know your own medical history. And you need to hope your unit does not fail while it is mid-blast. It is a classic case of good tech meeting questionable business practices. The short warranty and the reports of defective hardware make me pause. You might get lucky. You might get a clean ear and a working device. Or you might end up with water stuck behind your eardrum in a $60 paperweight. That is true emotional damage. I do this work so you do not have to learn the expensive way. I look into these things to save you the headache. And the earache, if you decide to go for it, just be careful. Do not ignore the warnings. And maybe, just maybe, check with a professional before you start pressure washing your internal organs. It is your hearing on the line. Once it is gone, it does not just come back with a refund. Stay smart out there. Keep questioning the things you see in your feed. I will be here to help you figure out what is actually worth your money and what is just expensive garbage with good marketing. I'm here to roast the bad products and find the gems so you can keep your money in your pocket.